But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Boyle wins the draw. Here's Hedman, center point. Left circle, Jonathan Drouin. To the side of the net, Johnson in front, Kucherov, score! Kucherov!
Wow.
What quick puck movement, and Kucherov buries it. 1-0 Lightning. To Garrison. He'll bump it to Jonathan Drouin, left circle. Drouin protects it. Center point, Garrison. Right circle, Kucherov. Cross ice, Drouin, open left circle. Back in front, Kucherov, score! Kucherov, another one! That is a huge goal for the Lightning to make it 2-0. Right circle, Drouin. Jonathan Drouin dishes to Hedman, center point. Left circle, Kucherov. Right circle, Drouin. Open. Sanderson. Score! Score! Pull on! Pull